Myself Ritesh Sonawne, and in previous video we have seen the binary adder, design finite state machine for binary adder. We have also designed the machine function table and state function table. After that we have designed transition diagram. After that we have designed adjacency matrix for binary adder. Then we have seen we can add the two numbers, binary numbers, and we have simulated these numbers for finite state machine. In this video, we have to design a finite state machine for divisibility by 3 tester for the decimal number consisting of digits from 0 to 9. The output will be either 1, 1 means yes, it is divisible, or 0, no, it is not divisible. For this machine, we consider the input I is equal to 0, 1 up to 9. From above set, if we consider digits 0, 3, 6, 9, they all are of same type, that is divisible by 3. Similarly, digits 1, 4 and 7 gives the remainder 1 when divided by 3, and 2, 5 and 8 gives remainder 2 when divided by 3. Depending on this similarity, we can group them together, and the resultant set of inputs will consist of effectively only 3 members. That is, I is equal to, the first set is a 0, 3, 6 and 9. It is divisible by 3 and it gives the remainder 0. The next set is 1, 4, 7. It is not divisible by 3 and it gives the remainder 1. And the next set is 2, 5, 8. It is not divisible by 3 and it gives the remainder 2. As we know, the remainder of the result we obtain after dividing a given number by other will decide whether it is divisible by that number or not. That is, if we get the remainder 0, then only number is divisible by given number. In our example, as we divide by 3, we can get at the maximum 3 different remainder values 0, 1 and 2. If we get 0 as a remainder, the decimal number is divisible by 3 and the tester should produce the output 1. And if remainder is 1 or 2, the tester should produce output 0. Depending on these remainder values, we can have 3 different states for the machine. That is, the state is S is equal to H0, 0 remainder state, S1, 1 remainder state, and S2, 2 remainder state. Next step is we have to design machine function table and state function table. The machine function table is I into S. It produces the output O, and the state function table is I into S. It produces the state. For divisibility by 3 tester, the input is 0, 3, 6, 9 is the 0 remainder input. The next input is 1, 4, 7 is the 1 remainder input, and the next input is 2, 5, 8 is the 2 remainder input. And the states are 0 remainder state S0, 1 remainder state S1, and the 2 remainder state S2. Machine function table produces the output O. The output O is 1 for divisible and 0 for not divisible. For example, if the state is H0 and the input is 0 or 3, or 6 or 9, if we take any one of the input, that is say 0 or 3, 6 or 9, if the input is 0 and the state is H0, the number becomes 0, 0. The first 0 shows that the state H0, 0 remainder state, and the next 0 shows that input 0. If we divide by 3, then it produces the output 1, and the machine is in H0 state. Same as in H0 state, if input is a 3, the number becomes 3. If we divide by 3, it produces the output 1, and the machine is in H0 state. If the H0 state, if input is 6, if we divide by 3, it produces the output 1, and the machine is in same state, that is H0. If S state is a S1 and the input is 1 or 4 or 7, then the state is a S1 and the input is 1, then number becomes 11. 11 is divided by 3, it produces the output 0, and the machine is in S2 state. If the state is a S1 and the input is a 4, then number becomes 14. If we divide by 3, it produces the output 0, and the machine is in S2 state. If the state is a S1 and the input is 7, then number becomes 17. If we divide by 3, it will produce the output 0, and the machine is in S2 state. We fill this table, machine function table, it produces the output O, and the state function table, it produces the output state. Now the next step is a transition diagram. It is a directed graph whose vertices corresponds to the state of the final state machine, and directed edges correspond to the transition from one state to another state on the input symbol written above the directed edge. Now the transition diagram for the machine is shown in figure with H0 as the initial state, and the final state can be H0 or S1 or S2 depending on the input number. Transition diagram shows the 0 remainder state, that is S1, S0, 1 remainder state S1, and 2 remainder state S2. It is a directed graph of machine function table and state function table. We describe the transition diagram in a transition matrix form. The current state is H0, S1 and S2. The next state is H0 and S1 and S2. It shows the transition H0 to H0, H0 to S1, H0 to S2, same as S1 to H0 transition, S1 to S1, S1 to S2, S2 to S0, S2 to S1, and S2 to S2 transition. Let us simulate the working of the tester that we have designed on some arbitrary number. Number 1 is 112 and the number 2 is 1416. Now, current state of the machine is H0. Ideally, machine is in H0 state, that is 0 remainder state, and the input is 1. Then the number becomes 1. If we divide by 3, the next state is a S1, that is say 1 remainder state, and it will produce the output 0 because 1 is not divisible by 3. Then the current state of the machine is in S1 state. Then the next input is 1. and the number becomes 11. If we divide by 3, 11 divided by 3, then it goes to the S2 state and it will produce the output 0. 11 divided by 3 is, it gives the remainder 2. Then the current state of the machine is S2 state, that is say 2 remainder state, and the next input is 2. That is, the number 112, it is not divisible by 3. If we divide by 3, 112 divided by 3, it will produce the output 0 and the machine is in S1 state. The final state of this machine is S1, that is say it will give the remainder 1. 112, if we divide by 3, then it will produce the output 0 and remainder 1. The second number is 1416. Current state of the machine is H0, input is 1, the number becomes 1 divided by 3. The next state of the machine is S1 and it will produce the output 0. The next current state of the machine is S1, next input is 4, then the number becomes 14, 14 divided by 3. The next state of the machine is S2 and it will produce the output 0. The next current state of the machine is S2 and the input is 1, then number becomes 21. If we divide by 3, it will produce the output 1 and the machine is in H0 state. The next current state of the machine is H0 and the next input is 6, 0, 6, number becomes 6. If we divide by 6, then it will produce the output 1, that is divisible, and the next state of the machine is H0 state. Here is the final state of the machine is H0 and the output is 1. That is say 1416, the number is divisible by 3. Thank you.